of the day. This is a McDonald's, $8 going 3.5 miles. It's not open yet. Hello.
You have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. I forgot I woke up really early today. We're also doing earn by time today, of course. The current rate is $18 an hour, and we got our first order for that. It's gonna be Black Rock Coffee going 3 miles. Total for that one was a whole $5-roos. And we got the next order just now. This is McDonald's going 2.5 miles.
$9.90?
Yep, thank you.
You have a wonderful day.
You too. Total for that one was $7. Not bad. It was pretty easy, pretty quick. Just as I parked, we got our next order. This is gonna be IHOP going 6 miles. Yeah.
MG. Okay. You want to head up there? I figured it must be yours. So we're all set.
Thank you. Thank God for earn by time, because that was a close to 15-minute wait. Total for that one was 14 pesos. Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is going 5 miles. Oh, it's only one drink. That is not a good sign for me. Because what are the odds that somebody tips on a drink that costs like, what, $6? Pretty slim. Oh, and also because it's only one drink, it's gonna be off center in my seat. So I'm gonna have to hold it the whole time. Otherwise it's gonna be flying around. We don't want that. Well, they did tip. Total ended up being 5 yen. And we got the next order right away. This is gonna be Burger King going 4 miles. They just gave me an add-on order. This is going an additional 2 miles. Still too early for the lobby. I've got 2 DoorDash orders.
What was that?
I've got 2 DoorDash orders.
I'm so sorry. All I heard was that crow going off. One more time.
I've got 2 DoorDash orders.
All right. Donna, no drink for that one. Jackie, I got 1 drink for this one. Got it right here for you. Yeah, buddy.
Thank you.
Every day.
You too. I think there are 13 items total between both these orders and only 1 drink, so I got very lucky. Total for that order ended up being 15 euros. Just as I had parked, once again, we got the next order. This is gonna be Voodoo Donut going 6 miles. Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too. Hello.
Thank you.
Yep, got it.
Yep.
And that was our first no tip order. Total ended up being 5 francs. And we got the next order. This is going to be a stack going to the same person. We've got Burgerville and Starbucks going just under 5 miles.
What's the name?
Himanshu. Thank you. Hello. Gotta pick up for Himanshu.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
Thank you. 0 tip, huh? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Total for that ended up being £8. And we're getting the next order right away. This is McDonald's going less than 3 miles.
I missed you.
You missed me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Is this in?
Yep, thank you. Horse sits upstairs. Bruh, is that 3 no tips in a row? Total ended up being 5 rupees. Just got the next order. This is for a place called Mission Cafe, and this one is going 9 miles.
Okay, you don't have the combination order?
It's just Jennifer, I think. That's all together?
Yep. Yeah, it says 8 items. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I was kind of confused there because all the different food items were labeled with different names, which is the first time I've ever seen that because it's all one order.
You can leave it here.
Okay.
Take it through.
So it's kind of crazy to me that not one of those people wanted a tip. Total ended up being 9 rubles. That was terrible. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks 10 krona going 3 miles. Thank you. Back at Starbucks, this one's going to be 10 shilling going 1 mile. Thank you. Next up, we have a crumble cookie. This one is going 6 miles. Thank you.
Good morning. What floor are you looking for?
1,000, suite 1,000?
10th floor.
10th floor?
Yeah.
Okay. Excuse me. Total for that ended up being 7 won, and we got the next order as I was coming out of there. This is Georgie's Garage and Grill going 8 miles.
It's right here even.
You ever stabbed yourself on that thing?
Oh, no, not yet.
No. It's like one of my biggest fears whenever I look at like restaurant shows.
But now I'm going to be conscious of it.
Hopefully I didn't jinx you.
Here you go, my dear.
Thank you. Why did you give me an essay to read? I'll guess. I'm not reading that. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Total for that one ended up being 9 kwacha. Just got the next order. This is a McDonald's going 6.5 miles.
What time was it? 2. A little after. Oh, that's good. Hi, Christopher.
Thank Thank you. Oh my goodness. I'm like going through a freaking woods, forest, whatever. Assuming this is it. This better be it. Because if it's not, I don't know where I'm going. This is what I'm driving through right now. I guess that was a pretty good tip. Total ended up being 17 squid. And on that note, I'm gonna be calling it because I am so far away from home. Current time is 11:24. Total, we are at, I think, 135. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.